single mission! Oh, so useless! Antini! That's it! We still have Antini! Who wants to go on a mission with her? All right, it's you! Okay. What can a little kid even do? Whoa! I didn't know you're so strong! With her, we don't have to worry about the cops! Antini, where are you?
Wow, smells so good! Time to eat! Oh, it's Antini!
That means Antel must be nearby, too. Hey, kids, slow down. You'll choke if you eat too fast. Ow!
Such powerful hiccups!
Noodles! Ouch! Stop it! Please! There's no more hiccuping!
What's going on?
Huh?
Oh, Antini, there you are!
We gotta help her stop hiccuping.
Antini, follow me! Take a deep breath. Hold it in. Just a little longer. That's it. Looks like it didn't work.
Looks like I need to stop her hiccups first, then finish our mission. Antini, try spinning like this. Faster! That's it! Keep going! Speed it up! The hiccups stopped, right?
It's okay. It's just us.
Ha! Look, scaring her really worked.
Mama, try a big new game.
Another idea.
That's it!
Antini, I've got it. Drinking lots of water stops hiccups.
Come!
Antel, stop right there!
Great job, Antini! Oh, no!
Mind cloning.